Alright, picture this. You're floating in the shallows, sunlight streaming down, dappling the sandy bottom. The water is crystal clear, and you feel a sense of peace wash over you. And suddenly, there it is. A fleeting glimpse of something truly extraordinary. One of the ocean's weirdest superstars, the seahorse. A creature that seems to defy all expectations. Now I know what you're thinking. What's so special about a seahorse? Seahorses? Those tiny horse-faced creatures from the cartoons? The ones you might see in a child's book or a whimsical illustration? Yep, exactly, those are the ones we're talking about. But here's the secret. They're even stranger, more fascinating, and more complex in real life than any cartoon could ever portray. They are truly unique. First, let's talk about that wild look, that unmistakable silhouette. Seahorses have long tube-like snouts for slurping up tiny shrimp and plankton, a specialized tool perfectly adapted for their diet. And they have a curled tail for grabbing onto seaweed, acting like a prehensile hand to anchor them in place. And then, there are the eyes that can move independently, like a chameleon, allowing them to scan their surroundings with incredible precision. They're not even good swimmers. In fact, they are quite awkward in the water. Instead, they rely on camouflage, becoming masters of disguise, blending in with coral and seagrass to avoid being someone else's lunch. They are experts at hiding in plain sight. But here's where it gets mind-blowing. Prepare to have your perceptions of the animal kingdom completely challenged. In the world of seahorses, it's the dads who give birth. Seriously, this isn't a typo, it's biological fact. The female passes her eggs into the male's special pouch, a dedicated incubation chamber, and he carries them, sometimes hundreds at a time, until they hatch, nurturing them and protecting them within his pouch. When the babies are ready, the dad squeezes them out into the ocean, a truly remarkable sight to behold. Like tiny confetti. A miniature explosion of new life entering the vast ocean, and it doesn't stop there. The surprises just keep on coming with these incredible creatures. Seahorses are loyal partners. They value companionship and connection. Some species stick with their mate for life, forming bonds that last for years, greeting each other with a little dance every morning, a ritual that strengthens their connection. Tails intertwined, changing colors, a beautiful display of affection and commitment, just to keep the spark alive. A testament to the power of partnership in the animal kingdom. You might also be surprised to hear, adding to their list of unique characteristics, that seahorses have no teeth and no stomach, a digestive system unlike almost any other animal. They have to eat almost constantly, a never-ending quest for sustenance, sucking up food with their straw-like snouts, a rapid-fire feeding frenzy, because it rushes right through their bodies. A constant cycle of eating and expelling. Now, despite their magical charm, seahorses are in trouble. Their future hangs in the balance. People catch them for souvenirs, traditional medicine, and the aquarium trade, driving down their populations. Plus their homes, coral reefs and seagrass beds, are disappearing, leaving them with nowhere to live and breed. Some seahorse species are already threatened or endangered, facing the very real possibility of extinction. But here's the good news. We can help. There's still hope for these amazing animals. Protecting ocean habitats, creating safe havens for marine life to thrive, making smart seafood choices, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and saying no to dried seahorse trinkets, all make a difference. Every conscious decision counts. Every small action helps these enchanting creatures keep floating through our oceans, ensuring their survival for generations to come. So next time you see a picture of a seahorse, a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our oceans, or spot one on a snorkel trip, a truly unforgettable experience. Remember, you're looking at one of nature's most unique, mysterious, and downright magical animals. A living treasure that deserves our protection. Thanks for diving in with me. I hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures. If you want more ocean wonders, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Stay curious. The ocean is full of incredible secrets waiting to be discovered.